Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix where we'll be showing you another tutorial video of the topic how to fix your Pinterest feed. If you're having trouble with fixing your Pinterest feed, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you think, but don't worry. Today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. We're going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Turn it on from your notification bar or control center. Then wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Then turn it back off. This resets your network connection and can fix temporary glitches. Once you turn it off, go back to Pinterest and then try logging in again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, let's see if there is an update available for Pinterest. Open your Play Store app and then search for Pinterest and see if there is an update button. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using an outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures that you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. If updating didn't help, it's time to clear the app's gate, especially on Android. Here's how to. Go to settings and then search apps and then click on the option of apps and then scroll down until you see Pinterest, and once you find Pinterest then click on it. Then you have to scroll down and see the option of storage. Click on the option of storage and you'll see the option of clear cache here. Then hit clear cache. This clears out data that might be causing issues. If you're on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get to in a second. And if none of that helped, go ahead and then delete the app from your phone and then reinstall it from the Play Store app or App Store. This gives you a fresh install with all the latest files and settings. In many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn login problems. And there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back into your Pinterest account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.